Buonasera, paisani. Welcome to episode 60 of Big Mamas Gather Searching for Hope. Welcome, everyone. Welcome once again to another episode. Like I said, this is episode 60. 60. Can you believe it? I've been doing this for 60 weeks. Wow, it's surreal. I started May 8th, if I'm not mistaken, of 2020. We are now September 1st, 2021. It's been a crazy, crazy year and a half with all that's been going on. And I just want to refresh everyone's memory. The reason why I started the live stream every Wednesday was because, the whole world was under lockdown, under quarantine, under isolation. And so I decided to reach out to the world and to the viewers and everyone out there. First and foremost, it was to help remind everyone to support local businesses, small shops, the mom and pop shops that we all appreciate and sometimes don't appreciate as much or take for granted. So it all started back in May for the small businesses. And if you've been following me, hi Morello, first time watching. Well, I'm giving you a refreshment. So it was more to refresh everyone's memory and keep them aware of supporting local, because everything was so shut down and only essential services were available. So to help support local businesses, small businesses, I started doing the live stream, and I had a lot of guests come on to speak about their business, their product, and their services. Then it kind of subsided to going towards a bit of everything. What's going on in the world, how everyone is coping with, what's happening. And I spoke about myself. I keep speaking about myself because I want everyone to know my story. And I repeat it. It's not so much to get pity or for people to feel sorry for me, but it's for people to gain hope and strength from my story, because everyone's going through something, right? So this is why I started all this. Morello saying home private cleaning here. Okay, hi there. Hi Manu. I started all this off the top of my head. I don't have a script. If you would see where I am right now, I'm in the basement. I'm in a warehouse, actually the basement of my store, and I started it in the basement of my house, sometimes in my kitchen. I'm very how can I say, not rough around the edges, but I'm very natural, very original, very there's no fluff around what I do. There's no big background. What you see is what you get. I'm very simple. I'm very straightforward. And whatever you see in the background, most of the time I'm filming or I do my videos in my backyard. So I'm just very simple. And I'm human like everyone else. I don't feel that I'm that much more special than the next person. But the feedback that I've been getting, especially since the pandemic started, has been tremendous. Tremendous in the sense that what I post, what I do has helped so many people and has encouraged them and given them hope and given them encouragement. And I get so many messages from, so many people from all around the world telling me that they needed to hear that message or they needed to read that quote that I put up. So yes, I don't know what you're going through, but I am very well aware that everyone's going through something, and no matter what it is, I just want to give you that word of encouragement, a bit of a shoulder to cry on if you want. I've gotten to know so many people through chatting, not even in person, but through chatting, and try to give them a word of encouragement, a word of advice. Morello says, looking great, keep it up, thank you. Grace says, I love you for being natural and real. Yeah, there's no fluff, like I said. There's no, I don't have a script. I never have a script when I go online, when I do my lives. It's just basically I go with the flow. I go with the vibe that I get from you guys, and I try to read all your messages, all your comments, and respond. I just go with it, and it really comes from within, from my heart, from my soul, from what I'm thinking, what I'm feeling. And so I guess this was makes me original and unique. But what I feel that touched me the most is when people like you send me messages or actually take the time to come see me at my ice cream shop to tell me how thankful they are for reading me my posts and for reading what I have to say, and how much it encouraged them. And I have no knowledge of what these people are going through. I don't know what journey they're on. But to hear that whatever I'm doing, even though I feel that it has very little importance or weight, it has such an impact on so many people. And this is why I do what I do. You saving lives, Mama. Well, I thank you, Sky Nonni. I don't know if I'm saving lives, but at least I'm giving everyone a bit of hope with my humor, with my quotes, with my posts. But now I feel that it's, all good things come to an end, and I feel like it's time to move on to bigger and better things, or just different things. And this weekly thing, it's been taking a toll on me because it takes a lot from me, time consuming and prepping and all that. But I don't want to let go of it, and I will not let go of it. But I will, like I spoke in previous episodes, I'll probably start doing it every 2 weeks. And actually, I have a guest coming on the 15th of September. So rather than come on next week, the 8th, I'll be on the 15th. But as always, I will be posting it, and you'll be well aware of it. And it'll most probably be always on a Wednesday around 8 o'clock. That's most convenient for me. But guys, paisani. I talk to you like you're all my paisani. And I really appreciate it so much. I mean, I see all your comments. I see everyone commenting and joining. And I just want to scroll up a little to see if I missed anyone's comments. Morello says, hope is what everyone needs. Absolutely. And that is the purpose of my life. It's for people to keep searching for hope and find hope. Because without hope, what do we have? If you don't hope for better, you're in limbo. And you need to have faith as well, because you have to believe that the hope will materialize and become a reality. So they all go hand in hand. And all this to say that I just want people to have a different mindset, a positive mindset. A mindset where you say, okay, whatever's happening to me, I can deal with it. I don't know how, but I can deal with it. And I always, I mean, these words resound in my own mind. I always tell myself, if I'm going through it, it's because I can handle it. And God never gives you more than you can handle. So whatever it is you're going through, it's either for a lesson, it's for an awakening, it's for you to, change your ways or make a decision. There's so many reasons why things happen. And sometimes they just happen because they do happen. And we can't even explain it. But I'm sure that eventually you will realize why you went through what you went through. Homemade by Kathy. Hi, Kathy. Knowing your self-worth. Absolutely. We must always know our self-worth. Look forward, never look backwards. That's right, Morello. And Sky Noni says, amen. Absolutely. Your self-worth. I always tell people, and I say it on my lives, if you can't love yourself, you can't love others. If you can't help yourself, you can't help others. So if you don't know your self-worth, then people won't know how to value you. So make sure you know your self-worth. And we are all worth a lot, because we're all different. We're all unique. We all have our characters. We all have our, good side, bad side. We all have it. But we're all different. That's why we're all created different. So, by knowing your self-worth, yes, Kainoni, you will build your self-esteem. By building your self-esteem, you will feel so much better about yourself. You'll gain so much energy, positive energy, to go forward and say, I can do this. You stop doubting yourself and you keep going forward. Homemade by Kathy says, when am I going to see you at school? You know what? I don't know. I'm going to promise that I will come by, but I don't know when. I know, Kathy, you're always there, so I'll pop in one day and surprise everyone. I hope they let me in, because they don't know me. But yeah, I'll come by and see everyone at school at Gerald McShane. So big shout out to Gerald McShane Elementary School in Montreal North. It's where my daughter went for I think it was 4 years, and had the pleasure of having Miss Kathy as a teacher. That school is just amazing. The staff, the parents is just wonderful, and I really miss it. And I can't wait till next year when my granddaughter will be starting kindergarten. And speaking of granddaughters, at this very moment, my second stepdaughter is in her 37th, listen to it, 37th hour of labor. She's in labor, and yeah, she's been going on strong for 37 hours. So we're just waiting for that next grandbaby to pop out. It's a little girl. So yeah, I'll be posting it. Kathy, is that you? Hey, cousin. Oh my God, Morello and Kathy are cousins. Wow. Okay, nice. Nice family connection there. So yeah, so another baby is coming along, another granddaughter. I'm very excited to meet her and see her. But of course, it's not like always, because we can't go to the hospital to see her because of all that's going on. So I'm probably going to end up seeing her through a glass window for the first time when she ends up going home. Because for sure she wants to protect her baby, and it's very natural and very understandable. But I do want to see that little chunky face. So yeah, I'm gonna be a nana for the second time. Best wishes, thank you so much. 37 hours of labor. So I mean, my first stepdaughter, my granddaughter, my 4-year-old granddaughter's mother, was in labor, drum roll, 53 hours. 53 hours. That is one long journey. And let me tell you, I ended up telling her, I said, you know what, you're going to live with a baby in your belly because she's not coming out. And she finally did. So great news. Thank you so much, Morello. So that's what's new and exciting. We're talking about new life, a new beginning. So I'm very excited about that. And hi, Tommy Tarantino. Hi, Tommy. So guys, I don't want to take up too much of your time. But again, I've been doing this for almost a year and a half. This is episode 60 of Big Mamas Gather, Searching for Hope. The reason why I started this was to promote small businesses, to encourage people, not to make them feel alone during the quarantine and the isolation, for so many reasons. It was to help everyone's mental health. But at the same time, without even knowing it, or maybe I did know it but didn't realize it, I was helping myself through you. By doing what I did, it's helped me so much. It motivates me. It gives me that drive. It gives me that encouragement, that positive attitude, knowing that everyone out there is waiting for my live, or waiting for my post, or waiting for my Sicilian word. It's just amazing the effect that you guys have on me, and I'm very flattered when people thank me for what I do, because I don't feel like I'm doing anything. I'm just being myself. But I guess it has an impact on others. Vinny Mania says 54. No, I'm not 54. What I was talking about is 53 hours of labor when my granddaughter came out. I'm not afraid to say it, I'm 46. So no, I'm not 54. I'm 46. Please don't make me older than I am. I know I have the white hair, but I'm 46. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed all my episodes. You can always check them out on YouTube. My YouTube channel is growing slowly. I'm up to 1,433 or 34 subscribers, which is fantastic. And I encourage all of you, if you haven't already, to subscribe. The YouTube channel is called Big Mama Siciliana. Learn Sicilian one word at a time, because that's how it all started. I got on the map by being Sicilian. Go figure. And now it kind of transitioned into positive posts, positive quotes, positive mindset, encouragement. I'm a bit of everything. I'm like a big mixed salad, or a big minestrone, but that's who I am. I'm all over the place, and I try to help everyone as much as I can. And those who know me and know me well know that I would do anything and go above and beyond for my friends and my family, because I wear my heart on my sleeve, and I always give and give some more. And when people come to me with problems, it's like it becomes my mission to solve it. I don't accept defeat, and I always try to find solutions for people. You have a flat tire, I'll call CAA. You need money, here's $20. You need someone to talk to, I'm here, call me. You just want to sit and look at the trees and listen to the birds, I'll be there. So I make myself available for everyone and anyone. I guess it's rewarding for me knowing that I'm so useful to other people, and I guess that's my mission, and this is why I do what I do. I still see so many messages. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just gonna scroll up. Congratulations. A lot of people saying congratulations. Many blessings. Stay safe. Congratulations. Thank you again. What's the word of the day? Viva Sicilia. We will schedule you for the 15th. Yeah, absolutely. The 15th I'll be back. Okay, so Morello, you want a Sicilian word of the day. Arrasati. What does arrasati means? It means to get away. In Italian, we say allontanati. So in Sicilian, si dice arrasati. So arrasati per girirà, like go a little bit over there. So that's the Sicilian word for you. I'm happy that you asked, and I hope that you're happy that I did it. And you know what? I'll probably even post it. I'll do a little video of arrasati, and I'll put the spelling, because a lot of people want to know how it's spelled and how to pronounce it. So I'll put it up. It'll be up on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and all over the place. Marola says, get yourself together. I am together. Sky Nonni is laughing. Guys, I just love to see you interact with your comments. It's just amazing, and it's been very heartwarming to have this privilege, to have this as as a platform for you guys to use as an outlet. I'm truly blessed, and I'm very thankful. I am thankful for all of you that have been supporting me. Manu, going to Italy in 2 weeks. If I could get on your live while I'm in Sicily, depending on the time and everything, that would be fun. Oh, absolutely. Manu, you gotta text me or send me a message. Let me know. Well, I know it's an 8-hour difference, but let me know. We'll do a live. You can show us around of wherever you are in Sicily or in Italy. And wow, that would be amazing. Morello says, no, I thought that's what it meant. No, arrasati means to push away. So to get away or to move away from. In Italian, we say allontanati. To put yourself together is arramazzati. Arramazzati means the ramazzare, to ramasser in French. I don't know if you're in Quebec, but ramasser, arramazza means to put yourself together. In Italian, we say, how do you say in Italian? Mettiti insieme, or I guess that's how we say it. I don't know. We love you, miss you. Okay, pull away. Yes, pull away. Arrasati. It means to pull away. That's right, Anna. Hi, Anna. Anna has been a very faithful, loyal viewer of my lives from the very beginning. So has been Manu Cauchi. There's so many of you that I feel like I'm getting an award or something. I need something to hold. Yeah, I want to thank my followers. But guys, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, this is on a serious note, no jokes. You guys have helped me in many ways, more than you'll ever know. And it's heartwarming, it's touching, and I'm very humbled that somehow I did it without knowing, to all of you watching. Morello says, how many episodes? Well, this is my 60th. 60, my 60th episode today. So yeah, I've been doing it with Wikipedia for Italian. Yeah, this is my 60th episode. I've been doing this, like I said, since May of 2020. May 8th, 2020 was my very first episode. You can catch them all on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, Big Mama Siciliana. Learn Sicilian one word at a time. I always put Big Mama's Gather episode number, so this is the 60th, and like I said, I made a decision. I'm gonna come on every 2 weeks, every second week. So this week, yes; next week, no; following week, yes, and so on. But I will always be posting. I'll always do little videos like I did yesterday about the lines on the hand. You'll still see me on social media. Don't worry. Anna says, you are a beautiful soul. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Morello says, that's amazing. I will go check it out. Yeah, go ahead. Go check it out. And please subscribe, Morello, if you haven't already. Guys, there's no amount of money to show how much I appreciate it and how rewarding it is to do what I'm doing. It's just an amazing feeling. And this past Saturday, I married a beautiful couple at Maison Principale downtown. It was a very nice little venue, and I kind of thought that the groom looked like Michael Bublé. He was very handsome, but the bride was, she was so glamorous and so beautiful. I was spotted by the groomsmen. After the ceremony, I was asked, "You do something else?" And I said, "Yes." And they're like, "Are you Big Mama?" And I said, "Yes." And so they were all freaking out. And then the mother of the bride was getting all kinds of messages because, of course, I posted the picture of the bride and groom to congratulate them. And she was being told, "Oh my God, you got Big Mama to officiate your daughter's wedding." And she's like, "But who is this Big Mama?" So she went and looked it up. And lo and behold, she found my videos, she found my posts, and she sent me a message of how thankful and how pleased she was that I officiated her daughter's wedding. And well, best of luck to the newlyweds, Alessandro and Jessica. They were a beautiful couple. And she said that I made it look so easy. I made it funny, heartwarming, and very touching. So it's, I like what I do. I love my job. I enjoy what I do. And when I do enjoy something, I do it with all my heart, and I pour it all in there. And the minute I start my ceremonies, that's when I start rolling. I get very comfortable, and I'm not shy, I'm not intimidated. I just flow with it, and I'm just happy that I can deliver such a great service and to be part of such a milestone in people's lives. Marriage, it's a big step that today is not as treasured or cherished as it used to be. So to see two people confirm and declare their love in front of their loved ones, their family, their friends, it's amazing. And to be the one to celebrate it is just such a privilege. So that's why I do what I do. I love to help people. I love to deliver things. I love to make people happy. So I guess it goes well with my character. So that's it, guys. I want to thank you all so much. I mean, there's not enough words in the dictionary to express my gratitude to all of you, my viewers, my followers. It's been an amazing year and a half of lives, but like I said, I will not stop. I'll just slow it down a little, so I'll do it every second weekend. Brides and groom, gorgeous, yes. Sweet Spirit says you're a gem. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I don't take compliments very well. I get flattered, and I actually don't know how to react, but I really appreciate it. I feel the love through the camera. I feel the love through the phone. And guys, right back at you. Honestly, you guys are amazing. You are the reason I am what I am on social media. You are the reason why I keep doing what I do. And you give me the courage, the motivation to continue doing what I'm doing, because you're showing me that it's having an effect, a positive effect. So please stay safe. Always keep a positive mindset, and remind yourself every night to be grateful for the day you had, and every morning appreciate and use the day as a new start, a new beginning for lots of good stuff. So guys, I love you all from my heart to yours. I love you so much. Thank you so much. I guess I'll see you in 2 weeks. Allora, come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu, everybody. Mwah.